Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Josephburg, a charming hamlet nestled within Strathcona County, Alberta, located just 6.5 kilometers east of Fort Saskatchewan and about 48 kilometers from Edmonton. Josephburg is a well-kept secret in Alberta's industrial heartland. Founded in the 1890s by pioneering German immigrants, Josephburg has a rich history rooted in agriculture and the tight bonds of a close-knit community. Over the years, the community has grown and adapted, with many residents now working in the nearby oil fields, contributing to the local economy and maintaining the strong community spirit. One of the notable residents was George Smythe, who immigrated from Ireland in the early 1900s. He and his family established a successful dairy farm and later expanded into grain operations. Despite facing personal tragedies, including the loss of his parents and the family's dairy herd to tuberculosis, George and his siblings persevered and continued to contribute to the community. Josephburg is not just about its past. It's a thriving community with a population of around 127 people. The hamlet is home to the Warren Thomas Aerodrome, a local airport that serves both industrial and recreational flyers. The community also hosts various events throughout the year, including the Country Classic, a junior livestock show, and the annual Fiddle Jamboree. One of the cultural highlights is the Josephburg Dinner Concert Series, now entering its 46th season. This long-running art series brings both well-known and emerging performers to the Moza Recreation Center, offering an evening of music and dinner that locals and visitors alike look forward to. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.